Hello once again, YouTube family, and thank you for dropping by and tuning in today's video as I'm going to show you the shoes that I bought. And for those of you who are new here, I'm Kristine and I'm a nurse educator, entrepreneur, and just showing my lifestyle to you guys. And I do hope that you're enjoying the video so far. So if you do, please stay tuned because this video is all about the shoes that I bought. It's Miu Miu x New Balance collaboration, and I did buy it in the Ecru color, and so can't wait to show you guys. Yeah, so this is it, you guys, and I might do like a mod shot for you how I wear it. And for me, as a review so far, can I just be honest, initially it's a little bit uncomfortable because obviously I've been wearing like sneakers, you know, for running, so a little bit different. But this one, as soon as you wear it for a long period of hour, it kind of just like fit in like a sock to make it much more comfortable. And so when I went to New Zealand, this is all just the shoes that I wore, and I walked a lot, you know, when I was setting up the office in New Zealand. And this has been really comfortable, and it's something that I possibly would wear if I'm gonna go on holidays. But so far, this is an amazing shoes. Do I highly recommend it? Yes, I do. I believe that for the price itself, it's, you know, you get a lot of value out of it because this is something that you can wear. It's very trendy, and it's New Balance, and I believe that even though I have a lot of wear on it already, it hasn't really shown a you know, wear and tear. So highly recommended. And I love that, you know, you can interchange the shoelaces. As I said, you've got this shoelaces and that shoelaces, but I prefer to have it, you know, put this both because it just, especially with the green one, right, it just looks very trendy. And so I'm gonna show you guys some mod shots how it looks like when you've got it on. As I said, I've already obviously worn these shoes, and it's something that I actually wear not very often, but here it is, guys. So the packaging alone, it's beautiful. And obviously there's extra shoelaces. Isn't that pretty? I love the color. And let me just quickly show you. So it comes in double packaging, right? So it's got this, you know, bag in itself, and then it also has this another, you know, protection for the shoes. So just for you guys to have a better look at the shoes itself, it's actually beautiful, and it's got that suede going on. As you guys know, everything is all about suede in this season. And I've actually have not worn it a lot because I do have and as you can see, the collar itself, right, it's not like you can wear it all the time, but it does have the logo in there. And what else, talking about the sizing, guys, the sizing is true to size, I believe, because I'm usually a 36, and yeah, so 36 is true to size for me. And as I might say, this is actually really comfortable shoes. So this is what it looks like, guys, when it's on. This is on the side, as you can see. This is at the back. And again, guys, if you find this video helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is what it looks like when you're walking on it. And so you just gotta have to, when I walk, I try to walk this way so it doesn't make any creases, right? Yeah, it's a beautiful shoes if you're eyeing on it. I'm not sure it's sold out, but make sure you have a good relationship with your SA or sales assistant, so she could buy you. If you have any questions at all, I'm here to help any of your question. Yeah, so that's what it looks like, everyone.